Today for math, we are going back to do the page that we skipped yesterday, Worktext page 13 and 14. Okay, I had checked pages 15 and 16 and returned them to you so that you can see what you missed. Okay, you put them in your math folders, you'll take them home and use them to help you study for the test for tomorrow. Okay, now we're going to go back and do page 13 and 14. You will still be doing reviews, page 11 and 12 tonight. That also is very like the test, and it will help you to practice for the test tomorrow. All right, the first section we're going to be doing on your paper is something a little bit new, and it is checking your addition problem to see if you have the correct answer. Now, like I said, this is not a true whiteboard, so I got a little carried away yesterday, and I started popping in the answers by accident. So, the very first problem you have is 7 plus 8. We know 7 plus 7 is?
15.
No, you're not listening to what I'm saying. I said 7 plus 7.
14.
We're still reflecting that this is a near double. If 7 plus 7 is 14, then 7 plus 8 is 15. So you should have put 15. Then, to check it, you're going to start with the answer, 15. And you're going to go backwards. So you're going to say 15 minus 8. And I do want you to do it backwards like that. 15 minus 8, does 15 minus 8 equal 7?
Yes.
Yes. So you know you are correct. And if you can't see around the camera, you need to go one way or another till you can see. All right, your second problem is 9 plus 7. All right? If you think of 10 plus 7 being what? What's 10 plus 7? 7 is easy, guys. 17. So this is just 9. So what's 1 less than 7?
16.
So that should help you remember that this is 16, right? So you put 16, and then to check it, you're going to go backwards, and you're going to go 16 minus 7. All right? Now, 1 and 6 is 7, so 16 minus 7 is 9. That should be an easy way to remember. If the two numbers up here, 1 and 6, make 7, you know the answer is going to be 9.
The reason why is because if you have a 9 and a bigger number than 0, it's because, well, the bigger number, 1 goes to the 9, and then the less number equals to 10.
You need to make our explanations be super short. Remember where I am videoing, okay? All right. Now, the next problem you're going to do, I'm not going to do it on the board with you, but 9 plus 9, that is a double. That's easy. 18, very good. 9 plus 9 is 18. And then you still are doing it backwards, but it's going to read the same way whether you remember to do backwards or not, because it's going to be 18 minus 9 equals 9. All right, for that next section, you are going to put in either a plus for addition or a minus sign for subtraction. So you need to look at the two numbers and look at the answer. If the answer is getting bigger, you know that you did what? If the answer is getting bigger, you know that you did what? Add. Thank you. Why are you guys not answering me? And if the answer is getting smaller than the other two numbers, you know you
Subtract.
All right, go ahead and do those on your own. And then you have some missing add-in problems to do on your own. And then we have a story problem. So you know what? I want you to skip right down to the story problem. Everybody just skip down to the story problem. We're going to do that because I need to stop the video as soon as I can. So let's do the story problem. Everybody go there first. It says, Damon invited 7 girls to Bible club. He invited 16 friends altogether. So how many boys did Damon invite to Bible club? All right, so this is 7 girls plus n, which is an unknown number, equals 16 total. So what are we going to do? Subtract. So in that little box, do 16 minus the 7. And 16 minus 7?
5.
No. 9. No. 9. We already had that problem today when we were checking, didn't we? 16 minus 7 equals 9. and then you will rewrite it as 7 plus that unknown number 9 equals 16, and on the line you need to write Damon invited 9 boys. You need to write 9 boys. That was something some of you were missing on yesterday's paper. You were not putting the answer with a label, like we always are going to put for our story problem, the answer with a label. On the back of your paper, you're going to review checking addition problems. You're going to put in more addition and subtraction signs. You're going to do more missing add-in numbers. And I want you, everybody, turn your paper over to the back, because this is a section that some of you will get confused on. Remember place value? Okay, when you do place value, what is the first place value? Place value of a number. What's the first place value? Do you guys even remember?
No.
The ones? Does that make sense? The ones, what would be the next one? The tens. What would be the next one? Hundreds. And the next one? Yes, and the next one would be thousands. And you would have a comma here between the thousands and the hundreds. There would be a comma.
Millions.
All right, so what they're telling you to do is you're writing these numbers, and they say, well, Olivia, read the first one. What does it say? 6 is in the tens place, right? Read the next one.
4 is in the ones place.
And 2 is in the hundreds place. So you would need to make the 6 be here, the 4 would be here, and the 2 would be there. So what number would that be?
264.
Yes, so on that line, you would have written 264 if you put those numbers in the place that they told you, right? All right, so you're going to do the same thing for those other 2. I just wanted to show you that that's what they're talking about. So do you have anything in the thousands? No, but I do believe some of them do, don't they? No, they don't. Never mind. So you're not even using thousands on these. You're just going to do hundreds, tens, and ones. And just put the numbers in the right place to make the right number. Thank